Well, this is not what I would have liked to have seen. It's a little bit...
It's okay. It's sure is deep water.
Oh, my camera! Oh! You got a frog?
Come grab this. Hang on, Dominic. Hang on, don't worry. It's okay. It's okay.
But I don't want to get in trouble.
You won't get in trouble.
I'm trying to go that deep.
I didn't think it was going to be this deep.
And what did I say? I said, let me get this on camera. Is that what I said?
Yeah.
It's okay, Dominic. Step right there. Hang on, I got to get this thing here. All right.
So I'm going to get out.
All right. You can step in that water there.
Can you swim? Oh my goodness.
I'm going to have to jump though.
Hang on a minute. Hang on a minute, Dominic. I'm gonna, hang on a minute.
What was that?
What's this thing here? Yeah, back there. That's the... All right. Hang on a second. Hang on a second.
Those frogs are laughing at you.
All right. They are. The frogs are laughing at me. All right. Do you think you can...
Swim? Can you swim?
No.
Do you...
1, 2, 3.
Made it. My feet are soaked.
Holy smokes.
I think you're all soaked.
Yeah.
Not in though. My pants are all the way soaked.
Well, so much for our nice Sunday ride.
Yeah. It sucks. And we're going to walk all the way home to get the pickup truck.
Yeah, we're going to have to. I shut my key.
And we ride side by side.
Stuck in the water. Get.
I hate it when that happens.
We're going to have to go get the pickup.
Now who's going to watch that?
Oh, nobody.
I don't even have my cell phone with me.
So what will that do you?
Okay, well, we'll be back.